Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by feeding AI the best possible inputs, your top creative, headline variations, and the landing page URL. Once done, label desired KPI, CPA target, and daily budget, because AI optimizes to goals. Upload audience signals next, custom lists, lookalikes, and interest clusters. This helps the model prioritize reach versus precision. Make sure to include conversion events. Without them, AI will chase clicks, not purchases. Start campaigns with small budget slices to let AI learn quickly. Now you use AI to iterate. Generate caption variants and slight creative edits so the model can test what resonates. Once those assets exist, create 3 audience experiments, broad, lookalike 1%, and a focused interest cluster, to compare acquisition cost. Make sure automatic placements are enabled, because Facebook learns placement-level performance faster. Allocate a learning phase budget equal to about 3 times your CPA target. This gives the algorithm enough data to identify winners without wasting spend. Finish by scaling validated winners carefully. Increase spend by about 20% every 48 to 72 hours because rapid jumps confuse the algorithm. Once done, monitor essential signals, pixel events, conversion latency, and ad frequency to catch performance decay. If performance drops, retrain AI, feed fresh creatives, update conversion windows, and add new audience seeds. This prevents model drift. As a key troubleshooting tip, reset learning when conversions fall below expected volume. Small, clean datasets beat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.